Okay guys, the ultimate hill climb for my mini bike. Through this little area, and then up that. Wait, it doesn't even look that steep on camera. That is very steep there. And then up to there. No problem, bro. Okay, steep part now. Oh my goodness. What? Dude, this thing is a beast. Look at this. I'm standing at the top of it right now. This thing is so steep. Like, bro. Oh shit, buddy. I'm literally like sliding down this with my shoes. That is insane. I'm doing it like, that is crazy. We made it up that with my mini bike.